Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to customize your profile with Nintendo Switch. So to do this, you'll need to go to the settings, like this, press A, then go down, find the setting called user, you press A on it, and then you select the highlighted profile that you want to customize. I have one, so I'm gonna pick that one. So I press A, and from here I can change its nickname to whatever I want. I'm gonna change that to 1, just add 1, and we're pressing OK, and it's changed to HardReset.1. And now edit icon, we press on it, and from here we'll be able to customize our icon. So we can pick the character we want, for example this, and the background it just changes the color behind the icon. So we're gonna pick that one, press OK, and our icon is changed. That's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.